Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to verify identity on Apple Pay. Firstly, go to your iPhone settings app, then tap the wallet in Apple Pay. Under payment cards, tap Apple Pay Cash. Scroll to the bottom and tap Verify Identity, then tap Continue to begin the process. Now, you need to enter your personal information. Enter your first and last name, then tap Next. Enter your street address and zip code, then enter the last 4 digits of your SSN and your date of birth, then tap Next. Now, you need to answer additional verification questions like you may be asked security questions based on your personal history to confirm your identity. And once verified, your Apple Pay Cash account will remain active and uninterrupted. If verification fails, double-check your personal details or correct Apple support for help. Thank you guys for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.